right guys? So now if you see here, what are the connected network? What are the connected network as per router 1? Can anybody explain to me? For example, if I type show IP route, you can able to see the connected networks, right guys? Whenever you type show IP route, you can able to see the connected networks. So here, as per router 1, the connected networks are good. What are the connected networks? 104.1.12.0, and other one is that 192.168.1.0. Everybody agree guys? Say yes or no. Yeah. Now let's go to router 2. Then what are the connected networks for router 2 as per the router 2? The connected networks are 104.1.12.0. Then after that 172.16.1.0. Then after that 172.16.2.0. Then after that 172.16.3.0. Then after that 172.16.4.0. Understand guys, everybody? Yeah. Now these are the known networks as per router 1, and these are the known networks as per router 2. But whenever if you want to write the static routes, you need to write the routes for unknown networks. In entire topology, for router 1 he doesn't know these networks. Right guys? So what you are going to do, you need to write the route for each and every network. Right or wrong? Everybody? Yeah, you need to go to router 1. What you are going to do, you are going to write manually, right? How you are going to write? You are going to say IP route 172.16.1.0. Then the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Then you are going to write, what's the next stop? Let's say this is your dot 1 and this is your dot 2. What's the next stop guys? Here, help me out. 104.1 dot, next stop man. I am in router 1. The next stop is 104.1.12.2, right? Yeah, no problem. It's good. Yeah, then after that you are going to write one more route for 172.16.2.0. Then subnet mask, then next stop. Then again, IP route 172.16.3.0. Then 172.16.4.0. Like this you are going to write the route size, right? If it is 4 subnetworks, no issues. I can write 4 routes. But the problem is like this, they have almost 10 to 15 routes are there. Yeah, that time what you are going to do guys, instead of writing what we are going to do, simply we are going to, because all these subnetworks they are fall under into 172.16.0.0, right guys? So simply what you are going to do, you are going to say 172.16.0.0, right? Then after that you will say 255.255.0.0. Then the next stop will be 104.1.12.2. Are you agree? Everybody? Are you agree or not guys? This is for CCNA level. Yeah. But whenever you go to the CCNP level, there they are going to say contagious networks. There we have a concept called summarization. There they are going to do the summarization, which means instead of writing all these routes, they will write a single line. I will show you that one as well. But first of all, as a CCNA level, you try to understand it. Are you clear guys? Because here what we mentioned there, 172.16.0.0, we said like that. Because what it does mean, 172.16.0.0, then immediately I mentioned the subnet mask, which means in the given IP, the first 2 portions are belongs to the network. It has to be match. Are you understand guys, everybody? I think most of the people, they are getting confused. Say yes or no guys, are you getting confused or is it okay for you? Yeah. So make sure that whenever you are going to write the routes, you should be smart. Yeah, that's very important for everyone. Guys, everybody, yes or no? Try to understand this. If you want, I'll explain to you again. Everybody has to give me a message guys. Whoever attending this, just give me a message. Yeah, so that I can confirm that you guys are able to understand this. Otherwise, we will discuss it again. That's not a problem. Yeah. So what I'm trying to say, instead of you are writing 4 routes, you need to understand here all these 4 subnetworks, they are going to fall under 172.16.0.0, which is the major network. So simply what you can do, you can write IP route 172.16.0.0. That's it. We can write a single route. Yeah, is it clear, everybody? Understand or not? Good. Then second thing, guys, yeah, second thing is that let's say we have a, I just want to try to explain something, guys. Yeah, try to understand this. Mm, don't you think why Seshu is doing this? Yeah, for you to understand, guys. Yeah. Mm, mhm. Okay. Okay, guys. Just for you to understand, just I'm trying to understand something. For example, if you are starting from here like this, guys, can we go left here? Everybody, can we go left? Give me answer, guys. For example, I started like this. Can we go left? Why? You can't go left? What's the reason? I think people are seeing. What's the reason? Huh? What's the reason? Everybody, give me answers, man. There is no way. It's only one way. Right, guys? So, what you are trying to do, whenever you come here, there is no route. Yeah, that's nice word, man. Right? You always go here on the right side only. Right? And what about this guy? Whenever somebody coming here, what he can do? He can go only left. Can he able to go right, guys? No. For example, whoever starts here, whenever he comes here, he can go either left or he can go either right. Are you understand, everybody? Yeah. So which means we can call it as a T junction. This is, you can call it as a T junction. Right, guys? That's why, did you see here, whenever you see sometimes on the roads, you will see like this. Sometimes you will see like this. Sometimes you will see like this. Are you understand, guys? Everybody? So which means this is your T junction. Whenever you see the T junction, either you can go to the left or you can go to the right. So here, whenever you see this symbol, you can go only on the right side. There is no left. And here, you can go only on the left. You cannot go on the right. Right or wrong, guys? Understand this? Yeah? So now what we are going to do now, because you just remember that, that's it. Just because this is, we need to, it's very important to understand the routing now. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you one topology. So far what we did, we just did with only 2 routers, right, guys? Now let's go and take 3 routers now. Let's say router 1, router 2 and router 3. So they are connected with like this. Yeah? Guys, are you able to understand or not? Say yes or no, everyone. Is it clear for you? Good. Then after that, you can say 192.168.1.0/24 and 192.168.2.0/24. Okay, okay, carry on, Nilesh. No issues. 192.168. Yeah, yeah, no issues. Carry on. 3.0. Right, guys? Everybody understand this? Now between router 1 and router 2, I'm going to configure, let's say 104 dot. I think you guys are okay with this IP addresses, guys. Is it okay? Yeah, don't get confused. Just I'm going to give you any IP addresses, you can configure it. That's not a problem. You can give 104.1.12.0. Let's say I'm going to configure it here /24. Then after that 104.1.23.0/24. Is it clear, everybody? Yeah. Now the question is that if you go to the router 1, because so far we didn't do with the 3 routers, guys, yeah, or 4 routers or 5 routers. So now let's go and check it. As for router 1, what are the connected networks, guys? Quickly, everybody has to type for me there. As for router 1, what are the connected networks? Everyone. Same thing as per router 2, what are the connected networks? Same thing as per router 3, what are the connected networks? Because we are just doing a static routing, right? Static routing is nothing but manually you need to identify what are the known and what are the unknown networks. Yeah, good. So connected networks is 192.168.1.0 and 104.1.12.0, right? And as per router 2, quickly, what are the connected networks as per router 2? Help me out, guys, everybody. As for router 2, 192.168.2.0, good. Then after that 104.1.12.0, then 104.1.23.0, good. As for router 3, as per router 3, 192.168.3.0, good. Then after that 104.1.23.0, good. Now help me out, guys. Everybody has to help me out. Now, as per router 1, the known networks are 192.168.1 and 104.1.12. So these two networks are the known networks. And what are the unknown networks, guys? Can you please type for me there? Everybody. In entire topology, Kunal. Check there, in entire topology. Guys, everybody has to type it for me. No, 104.1.12, he know it. Right, Kunal? Think Nawaz is going on, man. We just wait for a few seconds, guys. I think sir, yeah. We just wait for a few seconds. Let it be finished the namaz, guys. I think it's over. Yeah. Okay. I think that's Nisar. Nisar, you're the one, right? I think prayer is going on, man, in your mobile. Can you please? I think if it is over, then just you can stop it. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's stopped. Good. Right, guys? Right. So now what we are going to do now, guys? Let's see here. Everybody. Now, as per the router 1, the known networks are 192.168.1 and 104.1.12. What are the unknown networks, guys? In entire topology. Good. 192.168.2 is unknown network. And what is the others? 192.168.3. Then after that 104.1.23.0. Right guys? These are the unknown networks. And as per router 2, what are the unknown networks guys? As per router 2. Help me out quickly. Man, everybody, I don't know. You are not active at all. From morning 10 o'clock to until 4 o'clock, I was taking a class, man. You guys has to be more active. Yeah, everybody. Everybody has to be active, guys. Are you getting interest, or I'm going to show it to you some different concepts? Is it fine for you guys? Everybody is okay? Yeah? Good. Go ahead. Now let's go and do it here. What are the unknown networks as per router 2? Good, man. Router 2 192.168.1.0 and 192.168.3.0. Then as per router 3, what are the unknown networks? Quickly. Good, 192.168.1.0. Then after that 104.1.12.0. Then after that 192.168.2.0. Right or wrong, guys? Right or wrong? Yeah? Good. So first of all, whenever you are going to write a static routing, make sure that first you need to make what are the known and what are the unknown networks. This is your job. As an administrator, you need to figure it out which are the known networks and which are the unknown network. So first you need to write it like this. Now Kunal is going to explain to us. Just Kunal, now you tell me, as per router 1, he doesn't know these three networks, 2, 3 and 23. Right, Kunal? Now, how you are going to write a route? Can you please tell me? For example, you want to write a route. Can you please type it for me there? How you are going to write a route for 192.168.2? Help me out. So you are going to start with you like this, right? You are going to the router 1 and you will type IP route, right, Kunal? Then after that you are going to type the destination network is 192.168.2.0. This is your unknown network. We can call it as a destination network. And the subnet mask is 255.255. No issues, Bhupesh. Yeah, 255.0. Right, guys? Up to is clear for you, Kunal? Up to it's clear for you? Good. Now what is the next stop? As per router 1. What I told you, the next stop is nothing but the next router immediate IP. The next router immediate IP. So 104.1.12.0, which means let's say I configured here 1, here I configured 2. And here I configured 104.1.23.2 and here I configured 3. Okay guys, everybody is okay? Is fine with this? Okay. The next stop IP address is what? The next stop IP address is 104.1.12.2. That's your next stop IP address. Understand, Kunal? Yeah, Kunal, understand or not? Good. Now you are going to write another route for your unknown network. What is that? You are going to write IP route, then 192.168.3.0. Then what's the subnet mask? Help me out, guys. Remaining people also write it there. Yeah, you are going to write 104.1. This is what my question, guys. Yeah, Kunal. Everybody. Now 192.168.3 network. If you see here the 3 network which is connected on router 3, right? Why we need to write router 2 as a next stop? Why? Because I'm trying to figure it out this question, guys. For example, 192.168.2 network, no problem. Router 2, he know it. That's why I have written my next stop is this. But are you understand, guys? 192.168.3, which is connected on router 3, not on router 2. But still I am giving the next stop is 104.1.12.2. Can we do like that? Or we need to give the next stop IP address is 104.1.23.3. What do you think? Which is correct, guys? Can anyone explain to me? Yeah, because the router 3, it has 192.168.3.0. Right, guys? It's connected with there. But whenever I am writing a route, can you please type for me? What's your comments, guys? Everybody. Guys, do you understand what I'm trying to ask the question? Do you understand that? Yeah, everybody. You understand that? Because in router 3, 192.168.3 network has terminated. But in router 1, when I am going to write a route for 192.168.3, I have written a next stop IP address is 104.1.12.2. Right? Why should I do that? This is the interview question, guys. Okay, next stop IP. Good. Next one. Then Kunal is saying that it's a last stop. Okay. Always remember, guys, one thing very important. You always go one hop away only. You cannot go two hops. You understand, guys? Are you understand, everybody? Whenever you are writing a next stop means you just go only one hop away. You cannot go two hops. If you are writing like this, it will be 1 and 2. You cannot jump into two hops directly. You can go only one hop. That's why we are going to write the next stop IP address is 104.1.12.2. Are you understand, everybody? This is the interview question. You need to tell them it's just only we will reach up to my next stop only. I cannot go. Yeah. Are you understand, guys? That's correct, Vishal. It's just an entry for next. We can go up to here only. You cannot go another hop. If you are going to two hops, then it's not possible. That's why we are going to write. But my question is that if you want to reach 192.168.3, you are saying that go to router 2, right? But router 2, it doesn't connect it with 3 network. Then how it's going to forward it? Help me out, guys. For example, you are saying that in router 1 routing table, you written one route. To reach 192.168.3 network, you can go via 104.1.12.2. 104.1.12.2, that's for my router 2 IP. Right, guys? Are you understand, everybody? You need to learn the routing technologies, guys. It's very important, right? So which means you can go up to where? You can go up to router 2, right? Then router 2, what it will do whenever he receive the information from you, router 1, what it does? What it does, guys? Guys, are you able to understand, everybody? First of all, because you need to know, because sometimes whenever you are going to troubleshooting, let's say some people what they are going to do, they are not able to reach, that time they are going to do the trace. So whenever you are seeing the trace, it will show you hop by hop, hop by hop. Whenever it reaches in certain hops, it's going to stop. Then the service provider or MPLS provider, they will tell you where you stop, just send me that output. Then he will copy and send it. So then service provider will check, okay, it reaches up to this router, from there it stop. Maybe there is some issue with the routing. You understand, guys? To figure it out, you need to know all this. These are the basic stuff. Yeah. Now you are saying that to reach 192.168.3 network, the next stop is 104.1.12.2, which is router 2. The moment router 2 receive it, what is going to do the router 2? Somebody trying to type nice messages. Vishal is saying that it's going to check the routing table. Good. Bhupesh also saying it's going to check the routing table. Right, guys? Then it will check the routing table. First of all, you need to tell this, yeah? It's going to check the routing table for which network? What is the destination network, guys? What is the destination network? For which network it's going to check the routing table? Yeah, for 192.168.3 network. then it's going to check the routing table. Inside the routing table, it has a route, then only it's going to forward it. Right or wrong, guys? Yeah? Right or wrong? So basically what you need to understand, the routing is nothing but it's going to check the routing table, the destination networks, whether it's able to have the routing table, it contains all the routes which is belongs to the destination network. The moment when it will matches, then immediately it's going to take the decision. Are you clear, everybody? So basically the routing, what it does, it's going to maintain the routes for destination networks. Whenever the requests come from any other network, it will check in the routing table first. Whenever it matches, then only it will forward your information to the next hop. Right? Is it clear? Can we do this lab so that we will play a lot of things? What do you think, guys? Yeah? Can we do this lab? Say yes or no, everyone. So that I'll show you this lab. Yeah? So that we will play a lot of stuff here. Let's go now. So I'm going to show you this lab. So let's go and take 3 routers. So which model we are going to take it, guys? Which model router we are going to take it here? Help me out. 2911? Go ahead. Take 2911. Right. I have taken 3 routers, guys. Yeah. I just took 3 routers, and which switch we are going to take? Which switch we are going to take? Hello. Which switch we are going? 2960? Good. Layer 2 switch, huh? Okay. Perfect. Now what we will do, guys, as Priyatam saying that, take layer 3 switch also. What do you think? Can we take layer 3 switch also? Yeah? What do you think, guys? So that we will play mix and match. Yeah? It will be a lot of fun. Let's go and do that. So I am going to delete this. So in router 3, I am taking layer 3 switch. Let's go and take it now. So I am going to take 3650. Yeah? So next one is that here you need to understand the things, guys. That's what the main concern. So now what I am trying to do now, I am going to connect it now. Yeah? And how many computers we will take it here? 2 computers we will take it here. 2 laptops we will take it here. And we are going to take 3 computers here. Yeah? Is it clear, everybody, guys? Everyone. First, don't get confused, guys. Yeah? Everybody don't get the confused first. Then after that, we'll put them everybody in confused. Yeah? First of all, we'll create normally. Okay? As per our topology. Then after that, slowly, slowly, we will change everything. Right. Let's go and do that. Right. And I forgot this. Right. Okay. So now first of all, let's go and configure this. So I don't want to put any boxes, guys, so that you will see some colors and all. It looks a little bit confused. Okay. Now first of all, Anil is going to design the router 1 perspective, guys. Anil, what are the networks you are planning to use it here? For router 1. Can you please type it for me there? After that, we shall for router 2. Then Kunal is going to take care of the router 3 part. Okay? Go ahead, guys. Okay? No, you need to tell which interface you are going to configure that. Yeah, Anil? It should be more specific. So gigabit Ethernet 0 by 0, which is connected to my internal network. Right? So you are planning to use 192.168.1 network. Very good. Next. Okay, can we do one thing, Anil? We will type the notepad, guys. What do you think? So that we will copy and paste it in one shot, right? So that whatever Anil is giving the input, we will write it. Yeah, Anil, now you tell me. So this is your area. So first what I have to type here. So whenever I click on the router, then I will go to where? I will go to the user mode, right? Then there I am going to type enable. Then after that, then I will enter into the privilege mode. right guys, everybody? Then I need to type conft. So once I entered into the configuration mode, there I need to change the host name. So host name, let's say Anil router. Then after that, what I want to do? Yeah, everybody is following, guys. See, I'm just imaginary. I'm just trying to do imagination, right? Based on that, I'm just trying to type. No, I am in the router, man. I'm not in the switch. Oh, so in the switch, you want to create the VLANs, Vishal? Guys, everybody help me out. Yeah, first what we will do, we will design the network. Then after that, we will type it. Yeah, okay, go ahead, Anil. Help me out. 192.168.1.0 network you are planning to use. Okay. Next. Next. No, wait, Santosh. Anil, he didn't tell us what about 0 by 1. But he is going to configure directly the IP address means, Anil, you don't want to create any VLANs or anything. Right? That's what your concern. Guys, try to understand what Anil is trying to explain. Anil, what's your idea? How you want to configure it here? You are the admin for this area. Yeah? So based on your requirement, we are going to configure it. Help me out, Anil. Anil, are you understand what I am trying to explain, Anil? Wait. Yeah. So Anil is saying that we need to configure two VLANs there. Oh, he's putting some trouble also for us, man. Yeah. Okay, Anil. So here we are going to configure VLAN number 10 and VLAN number 20. So which means this computer I am going to keep it in 10 VLAN and this computer I am going to keep it in 20 VLAN. Right, Anil? That's what you are trying to say. Say yes or no. Right. Then after that, then why did you say that 192.168.1.0 we need to configure it on gigabit Ethernet 0 by 0? It's not required, right, Anil? In case if you are configuring VLANs here, the design will change again. Okay, go ahead. Then which network you are going to use it for VLAN number 10? What's the network ID? Type it. Type it. What is the network you are going to use for VLAN number 10? Anil, are you there? Yeah, tell me, Anil, which network you are going to use? You are the designing the network. Because you are saying that, sir, we are going to create two VLANs, right? So you said that VLAN number 10 and 20. I am asking you a question. For VLAN number 10, which network you want to use it? Okay, 1.0, that's good, nice. You are going to use 192.168.1.0. Okay, and what about second network? VLAN number 20. Help me out, Anil. 2.0. Good. 192.168.2.0. Very good. Okay. Let me ask everyone. Guys, do you understand what Anil is trying to do here? Everybody says or no. For router, whenever you are seeing there, as per the router 1, he connected to the switch. Inside the switch is going to configure two VLANs. VLAN number 10 and VLAN number 20. 10 is planning to use 192.168.1 network. 20 is planning to use 192.168.2 network. Are you okay, guys? Everybody? Say yes or no. Up to here. Then tell me, Anil, what is the next? What do you want to do? What do you want to do after this? Between router 1 and the switch, you connected port number 3 and gigabit Ethernet 0 by 0. What's your next step? You want to make it as a trunk. Good, very good. Okay, then after that what you will do? Between switch and router you are going to make it as a trunk. Okay, good. Then after that? Help me out, man. Is there anything to do it here in this area under router 1? Under router 1. Wait, Vilas, let him complete it. Yeah. Then after that, you configure it as a trunk. What else, Anil? What you are going to do? Because this is what you are going to do it, guys. Because whenever you go to the customer sites, you need to understand their requirement. Based on that, you need to build the solution. Yeah. That's why I'm asking you all these questions, guys. Okay, now what you are going to do? At the end of the day, the solution has to work. Yeah, I think put in two VLANs. What is that, Anil? You configure trunk here. Up to now, we are clear. Everybody understood that. What else you are going to do? Is there anything we need to do it at the switching level? One by one. Is there anything to do at switch? Is there anything to do at the switch? Everyone. I think Anil is finding some difficult, man. Okay, guys, can you please help me out? Is there anything else we need to do at the switch? Give me anyone answer, no problem. Yeah, Anil saying that create the VLANs and shift the ports and use these networks. Ah, see here. Sundar is saying that there is no IP address for the switch. Did you notice that, guys? This is layer 2 switch, that's correct. But again, if you want to do management, if you want to configure something, are you understand everyone? No, no DHCP. DHCP we are not going to do it on layer 2 level. Understand, Sundar? But one thing Sundar is raised the point, guys. For example, if I want to manage this switch, is there any IP address is there? Think about it, man. Slowly, slowly. Yeah, not to be hurry. Then how? How you are going? Every time you are going to take the console cable to the server room? Yeah. Try to understand, guys. This is real time scenario. Every time we are not going to take the console cable, right? I am sitting somewhere in the network and I am trying to do the telnet or SSH to my switch, right? So now, actually Anil forgot to specify the IP address to the switch. No VTP. Sundar, you didn't follow any classes, man. Sundar is saying different things to us. No, that's wrong. So everybody has to practice it. Help me out, guys. So we need to assign the IP address. Right or wrong, everyone? First of all, say yes or no. Yeah. So for which VLAN we are going to assign the IP address? For VLAN number 10 or 20? Because we configured two VLANs. At the end of the day, only those two VLANs only we are going to access it. Kunal is saying VLAN number 1. Why, Kunal? Why you are saying that VLAN number 1? Because VLAN number 1 we are not using. We are using either VLAN number 10 or we are using VLAN number 20. Right or wrong, Kunal? We are not using VLAN number 1. For example, the people who is sitting in VLAN number 20, can they able to access VLAN number 1? Let me, guys, try to understand it. Everybody, guys, what questions you are getting in your mind, you just type it there. We will have answers for that. So for example, the people who is sitting in VLAN number 10, can they able to access VLAN number 1? First of all, say yes or no. Everyone. For example, you are sitting in VLAN number 10, you are trying to access the PC which is in VLAN number 1. Let's say this is the PC which is VLAN number 1. Can we able to access that? No, right? So the moment when you give the IP address to VLAN number 1, then what is the point there? So we cannot do that. Let's say the people who is sitting in VLAN number 20, can they able to access VLAN number 1? Say yes or no? No, right, guys? Because it's a different VLAN. So now in this case, what I am decided, I don't want to give the IP address to VLAN number 1. So I cannot access it. Kunal, are you clear? Yeah. Now we need to give the IP address either VLAN number 10 or VLAN number 20. First you need to decide it that. So for which VLAN you are going to assign the IP address? VLAN number 10. Everybody agree, guys? Everybody agree? Yeah. Okay. If you are giving the IP address for VLAN number 10, what about VLAN number 20? In case, unfortunately, you are sitting at VLAN number 20, you need to access the switch. Then from VLAN number 20, can we able to access VLAN number 10? Because you assign the IP address. You understand, guys, everybody? I am putting more confused, I think so. Yeah, no access, then what we have to do? I think you didn't do the labs, man. Everybody is not taking serious. That's the problem. because we discussed lot of times, all the labs and all we discussed lot of time. Because you guys has to take the serious, man. If you don't take the serious, you are not able to do it. Okay, we will do one thing, guys. We will do one thing. Don't get this much confused. So simply what we will do, we will do the plain lab. Yeah. So that I understand now, guys. Maybe some people, they are not able to gaining the knowledge. They are not able to understanding. So now what I will do, I will design the topology, guys. Then after that we will play it. What do you think? First we will understand in normal way. Yeah. Everybody okay? Okay. Let's go and see now. Let's say here we will configure 192.168.1.0 network. Yet I am going to keep all these people into the same network. And here I am going to configure 192.168.2.0 network. And here I am going to configure 192.168.3.0 network. And between router 1 and router 2, I am going to configure 104.1.12.0/24. And between router 2 and router 3, I am going to configure 104.1.23.0 network. So everybody understand or not this concept first of all? Everybody clear or not? The topology is clear for you? Yeah? Can we go and configure this first of all? Then after that we will play. Okay guys? So let's go and do that. So first what I am trying to do, I am just opening the notepad. If you want, I will do one thing, guys. I just do it directly here. You can have a look. Yeah? Don't get confused, guys. Everybody has to do this lab step by step. Okay. First of all, what I have to type here? Do I need to say yes or no? No. Right? Let's say no. Then after that, I am into which mode? I am into the user mode, right? So now I need to type enable here. So now I just jump into the privilege mode. Then after that, conft. Why did I do the conft? Because I need to go to the configuration mode because I need to do some configurations, right? Now first thing what you are going to do the moment when you enter into the configuration mode, help me out, everybody. You need to change the host name. First of all, remember that. If without changing the host name, we don't have any problem. But since we have other routers also there, to avoid the conflict, we are going to change the host name. So just give host name router 1. Yeah. Now if I want to see the IP addresses, then what's the command you are going to use it, guys? If you want to see the IP address. For example, so far I didn't configure any IP addresses, right? But if I want to see the interfaces and its status, what is the command we are going to type? Show IP interface brief, right? But since I am in the configuration mode, I cannot type show IP interface brief, right? Good. I need to type do show IP interface brief. Good. Now I can see my topology. There is gigabit Ethernet 0/0 which is connected to my local area network, my LAN, right guys? My internal network. So now what I want to do, I need to configure this interface. Help me out. How to configure that? Gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Because gigabit Ethernet 0/0 is going to act as a gateway for my internal network. Right or wrong, guys? Yeah, gigabit Ethernet 0/0 is going to act as a gateway. So type interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Then what's the IP address you want to give, Kunal? Then you need to say IP address. No, it's not a trunk. We decided not to create any VLANs or anything, Santosh. I think you missed out. Yeah, we are just doing the plain. We are not going to, yeah, no problem. 192.168.1.1, then 255.255.0. Then after that, what you need to type, guys? You need to type no shutdown. That's good. Now what else we need to do? So if you want to verify this, you need to type do show IP interface brief. Then save this configuration. Up to now, is it clear, everybody? Yeah, everyone is clear or not, guys? So what we did, we configured our LAN interface, right? This interface we configured it. So we assign the IP address 192.168.1.1. Now I need to configure this interface, right? So this interface, then what is the IP address you are planning to give? Preetham, can you please tell me what's the IP address? We will configure it here. We will configure 104.1. Okay, you want to configure 10? Go ahead. That's fine. So Preetham saying that just give us, that's good, man. 10.1.12.1. Yeah, Preetham? Then other side we are going to configure 10.1.12.2. Okay, guys. Then you want to use it /30 or /24? What do you think? /30. Yeah? /24? Okay. Let's go and give /30. Because most of the people, oh, I'm sorry. My battery is going to be down. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to give, what's the IP, guys? /30, right? Okay, let's go and assign the /30 now. No issues. So open the console. Then after that I need to specify interface gigabit Ethernet 0/1 IP address 10.1.12.1 255.255.255.252. That's what you are trying to say, right, Preetham? Say no shut. That's good. Then after that, verification. Do show IP interface brief. There you go. Is it clear, guys? Everybody okay or not? Say yes or no. Then do right. Then after that, what you are trying to do? Explain to me. So far here I configured 10.1.12.1. Right here I configured 192.168.1.1. Is there anything else we need to configure it, guys, in router 1? Anything else? Kunal, we don't want to configure any trunk. Yeah, Kunal? Because we are not configuring any VLANs here. It's a completely a plain network. Yes. As per Vijendra, we need to configure DHCP. That part is we missed. So let's go and configure the DHCP. Let's go and do it now. So to configure the DHCP, what you are going to do, guys? IP DHCP excluded address. Can anybody know the commands, guys? Can you please type it for me there? How to configure the DHCP? Vijendra, do you know how to configure the DHCP? Yeah, can you please type for me there the commands? Open your notepad and type it for me there. Open your notepad and type the commands and copy and paste it. Even remaining people also can try it, guys. Yeah, there is no problem for me. No, Vilas, don't type it like single commands. Just open your notepad and type all the commands, then copy and paste it. Because usually I told you, whenever you are going to configure, yeah, usually what I told you, before you are going to configure the DHCP, make sure that first you need to configure the excluded address. Then after that, we need to configure the pool, right? So everyone, okay, Vijendra, you type it in one shot, huh? Very good, you are typing good. Type it all together in one shot. Type it. Guys, if anybody types quickly, then type it. All the commands, just copy it and paste it there. No issues. That's why I used to tell every time, guys, practice it well. If you don't practice it, you will not enjoy it. Good. Vishal also typed. Okay, now type the complete. No, I just copied. Okay. 192.168.1.1 and 192.168.1.10. Yep. Then after this, we are going to configure the pool, right? Vijendra, IP DHCP pool. Then I'm going to say the pool name. Let's say I'm going to say LAN. Yep. Then after that, network 192.168.1.0, then 255.255.0. Then default router is 192.168.1.1. Then DNS server is 4.2.2. That's good. See, Bhupesh, one shot, he did it, guys. There you go. Right? Now what you are going to do, check it whether the DHCP is working or not. Go to the computer, then click on the desktop, then IP configuration, then select the DHCP. Then did you notice that, guys? We got the IP address. Yeah. Then after that, what we are going to do, let's go to another computer and do the same. DHCP. See there, 1.12. Yeah. So far, you are configured the DHCP and you configured the interfaces at router 1. Everybody is clear? Say yes or no, guys. Man, everybody try to involve it, buddy. Yeah, what's the big deal? Almost 15 people are there. So we are very small team. Yeah, we will work like anything, man. If you are trying to support me, then I'll support you more. Means you need to give at least acknowledge. Who is listening the class, just acknowledge it. Yeah. So that we will do it step by step. Yeah, good. Let's go to router 2. So what are the configurations we need to do it at router 2? Go to the CLI. Help me out, guys. Help me out. Everybody has to type the commands, guys. Yeah. Okay. Now say no. Then after that, enable. Then conft host name. Then I can say router 2. Then which interfaces we need to configure it here? Everyone. Hostname already I configured, and here we need to configure 3 interfaces, right, guys? One is gigabit Ethernet 0/0, then after that 0/1, then after that 0/2, right? So 0/2 is connected to my internal network. So I decided to use 192.168.2.0 network, right, guys? Then here, which IP address I need to configure? 104. I'm sorry. We need to configure 10.1.12.2, right? Right or wrong? Then here, what IP address we need to configure it? Help me out, guys. In 0/1. 10 dot. No, this is Kunal. Did you see there? This is between router 2 and router 3. Yeah, Kunal. So the third octet we are planning to give, yeah, as a 23. So if you are going to give 10.1.23.1 and you want to use it what? /30 or /24? It's not a .1, guys. Try to understand it. The 1 is representing what? I'm trying to put you in everywhere to try to make you clear, guys. Yeah. So we want to give 2. In that case, if you are right, try to see this one. If you are planning to configure 10.1.23.2/30, right? Then what's the IP address here? What's the IP address, Kunal? Everybody, guys, don't worry. Even we'll go slow. There is no problem for us. 10.1.23.3. Again, you need to give /30, right? But /30 means how many IP addresses you are going to get in this network? Can anybody tells me? See there. Guys, understand this. Yeah, don't get confused. 10.1.23.0/30. This is what we are going to use it. Everybody say yes or no. Yeah. So /30 is nothing but you are going to get only 4 IPs. Yeah. So now what IPs you are going to get? 10.1.23.0 is one IP. 10.1.23.1, 10.1.23.2, 10.1.23.3. So total how many IPs you got it? Total you got 4 IPs. Yeah. Out of 4 IPs, one IP address we can call it as a network ID. And the last IP we can call it as a broadcast ID. Then these two are the valid IPs. Right, guys? Now you are saying that between router 2 and router 3 they connected like this. This is your router 2 and this is your router 3. So here what you said, you configure 10.1.23.2 and here you are saying that 10.1.23.3. Are you agree? This is what you are trying to configure. But 10.1.23.3, it's a broadcast ID. Can we assign the broadcast ID, guys? Yeah, Kunal. No. So that's why this IP address will not accept it. Right? Are you understand, everybody? Kunal, do you understand the concept? So that's why before you are going to assign the IP address, make sure that that IP address is a valid IP. In case if you are assigning as a network ID and broadcast ID, it doesn't take it. But I want to give as a 2 and I want to use it as a 3. In that time, what you are going to do, guys? I don't want to change that. No, I don't want to use 5 and 6. I want to use 10.1.23.2 and I want to use 10.1.23.4, 23.3. I want to use the same IPs. For this interface, I want to configure same 1.10.1.23.3 and 10.1.23.4. I want to do like, I'm sorry, 23.2 here and 23.3 here. Can we configure? First of all, can we configure this? No, we cannot configure it. Right, guys? Then what's the alternate here? How we can do this? Can anybody help me out? What do you think? Okay, so Kunal is saying that, no sir, we need to compromise. Let's go and do that. 10.1.23.1 and here we need to configure 10.1.23.2. That's what you are going to say. Right, Kunal? Yeah, that's good. Okay, so that's why what I am trying to do always, guys, I can give 10.1.12.1 slash 24, 10.1.12.2 slash 24. For example, between router 1 and router 2. Yeah, this is router 1 and this is router 2. And router 2 and router 3, what I will do 10.1.23.2 slash 24, 10.1.23.3. Are you clear, guys? Do you understand this? 24. So here what we will do, this is the router 2 and this is the router 3. Yeah, sometimes I can do like this. But now for you, what I am trying to do, I am going to configure it. Guys, don't you think that because before you are going to configure, you need to understand all these things. Yeah. So now your case, you said that let's go and do like this. So here we already configured 10.1.12.1 and here we are going to configure 10.1.12.2 and here we are decided to configure 10.1.23.1, right? Right or wrong? Then after that here we are going to configure 10.1.23.2. Guys, this is good. Even you are feeling that we are spending your time, but this is really good, guys. You know why? Because once you are going to build the solution, whenever you are going to configure it, you should not get any conflicts like this. Why? Because this is the IP addresses which is approved from everyone. Keep remember that. That's why you need to sit with your pen and paper. You need to draw the complete topology. Then after that, you need to decide which IP address we need to give our servers, which IP address we need to give it to our switches, which IP address we need to give our routers. Everything you need to decide it first so that your job is made easy. Is it clear, everybody? Yeah. For example, yeah, if you don't plan it properly, then finally you will end up with issues. One joker will come into the picture and he will tell you, man, this one change it to 172.16.1.1. This one you change it into 172.16.1.2. You don't have any control, guys. The jokers, when they enter into the picture, and they will make your life hell because they are off knowledge people. Yeah, because I found it. That's why I'm trying to say. I'm not going to insult them, but I'm trying to say that they don't know exactly the concept. Yeah, once they enter into the picture and they will talk as they like, then you also start playing. Okay, this route is not there. Okay, add this route. Oh, this is not communicating. Do this, do that. Then you don't have any logic. Then totally you are out of mind. That's why I'm trying to say. I am spending more time to ask you the questions. Okay, let's go and do it now. Anyway. Now what you are going to do, let's go to router 2. Yeah, now what is the thing, guys? So can I configure gigabit Ethernet 0 by 2, my LAN interface? Yeah, let's go and do that. Interface gigabit Ethernet 0 by 2, then IP address 192.168.2.1, 255.255.0, then no shut. Then after that, which interface we will configure? Can we configure gigabit Ethernet 0 by 0, which is connected to router 1? That concept is clear for us. Yeah, IP address 10.1.12.2, 255.255.255.252. Then no shut. Then I just want to verify 10.1.12.1. In other side it's configured properly or not. Yeah, did you see there guys? The ping is there. Everyone are you able to see the ping? 10.1.12.1. Good. Now what else we need to configure? We need to configure gigabit Ethernet 0 by 1. Interface gigabit Ethernet 0 by 1. Then IP address. Yes, Kunal. Now what's IP address? 10.1.23.1. This is what you are trying to say. Everybody is clear, guys? Yeah? Perfect. Then after this, save the configuration. Then show IP interface brief, the verification. Is it clear, everybody? Understand, everybody, guys? Say yes or no. Good. Now let's go to router 3. So for router 3, what we are going to do now? Let's go and configure it now. Help me out. First of all, do I need to say yes or no here? Enable conft host name is router 3. Then after that, there is a gigabit Ethernet 0 by 1, which is okay. Host name already I changed, Preetham. I am going to configure gigabit Ethernet. Which one I am going to configure? Oh, this is the, oh, did you notice that one, guys? It's a, all gigabit ports are there. So gigabit Ethernet 0 by 1, right? Which is connected to my layer 3 switch. No problem. Let's go and do that. Interface gigabit Ethernet 0 by 1, IP address 192.168.3.1 to 25.25.0. Then no shut. Yeah. Guys, I think in router 2 we forgot something. What is that? Can anybody tells me? In router 2 we forgot something. DHCP. Yeah? Thank you, Preetham. Let's go and check it. Let's go and configure it. Fatafat. Conft IP DHCP exclude address 192.168.2.1, 192.168.2.10. IP DHCP pool, then LAN, then network 192.168.2.0, 255.255.0, then default router 192.168.2.1, DNS server 4.2.2. Is it clear, guys? Everybody is okay? Yeah? Now what I am going to do now, I am going to verify it, whether I am getting the IP address or not. 2.11, then 2.12 you will get it here. Is it clear, everybody? Yeah? Say yes or no. The DHCP is working fine. Then let's go to router 3 and we finish it. We configured one interface, 3.1. And we need to configure one more interface, which is gigabit Ethernet 0 by 0. Right, guys? So let's go and do it. Interface gigabit Ethernet 0 by 0, IP address 10.1.23. What's IP here? What's IP, guys? 2. 255.255.252. Then no shut. Then verify the ping 10.1.23.1, which is my router 2. You have the successful ping. Now show IP interface brief. There you go. Just right. Yeah. Is it clear, guys? Are you understand this? Everyone. So now, oh, still the switches doesn't come back, man. Why? What's the reason? If you see the layer 3 switch, still it doesn't come back. Does it power? Oh, there is no power, man. You need to give the power. Give the power. Now it's going to come. See? Now it's going to come. Let's wait for a few seconds, guys. It's coming up now. Yeah. Guys, everybody understanding or not what I am trying to explain? Yeah, but you guys are not doing, man, because most of the people, especially for the labs and all, you are not practicing properly. Because the concern is that maybe, yeah, Seshu is teaching for us free. So that's why don't put efforts. Yeah. Don't worry, guys. One day I will meet you and I will take my fees from each and every one, guys. Definitely I will come to your place. Most of the North Indians are there. Definitely I will come there and I will collect from you the fees. Yeah, Anil is there, so that I will go and meet Anil. Yeah. Guys, put efforts, man, because I am trying to say always, because you guys are not giving proper answers, and not taking serious, because the problem is, अरे चलता है भाई, कोई problem नहीं ऐसा. Don't do that. Yeah, don't do that, guys, because I'm telling you very serious, because if you are strong in the basics, and if you are understanding the technology, definitely you will go to the next level, man. I'm telling you, most of the people I have seen this 10 years 12 years experience, yeah, they're still calculating the IP addresses and subnet mask. So I'm not say I'm not commenting on the people, but I'm trying to tell you guys. Yeah, it's come up now. Go to the desktop, IP configuration, then select the DHCP. Oh, DHCP is not working. Oh, what's the reason, guys? Oh, we didn't configure the DHCP, I think so. Right? Did we configure or not? I think we didn't configure. Yeah, we didn't configure. Let's go and do that. IP DHCP exclude address. Guys, networking field is very, very passionate field. I am telling you. Nothing. If you are a good talent and skill, take one nice laptop and sit at the customer place and play according to you. People, they don't speak anything. They are silent. Just they are watching while you are doing. You understand, guys? Yeah, it's very passionate field. The moment when you learn properly, you are like a hero. Just go there, no relax. Yeah, whenever I'm trying to configure our core switches and edge switches, the customer is looking my face. Wow, how passionate this guy is working. Yeah, that's why that passion you need to develop, guys. Yeah, if you just go and work in Dubai, and outside is a 48 degree, 52 degrees sometime, very hot. I'm not saying something. Treat me like a good friend. Yeah, the people they are working. You are sitting in AC room, nicely one nice table and chair. Open your laptop, connect the console cable and playing nicely. Yeah, I know we have also pressure. Mind pressure will be there. If you are overcome now, if you learn properly, then you will able to enjoy it. That's what my main concern. Yeah. Today I'm talking a little bit more, guys. I don't know. I get a little bit emotional, you guys. Yeah. Leave it. 3.10. IP DSCP, pool, then LAN, network 192.168.3.0, 255.255.0, default router 192.168.3.1, DNS server 4.2.2. There you go. Now what you are going to do, just go each and every computer and try now. Select static, I can put the DHCP. There you go. You got the IPs now. Then go to this. You got the IPs now. Then go to this. Yeah. So everybody got the IP. Did you see that, guys? Yeah. Okay. Now let's go and play with the routing now. That's very important for us. Yeah, guys. So now help me out. I am in router 1. To check the routing table, what's the command we need to use? Everybody. To check the routing table, what's the command, guys? Show IP route. Yeah, Kunal, you need to type show IP route. Then did you see here what are the networks is there? The connected networks. 10.1.12, this is your connected network, and 192.168.1. Right, Kunal? And these are the known networks. Right, guys? These are the known networks. Then after that, we need to write the routes for unknown networks. Quickly, can anybody type it for me? What are the unknown networks for router 1? Quickly, type it for me so that we will write the routes. What are the unknown networks, guys? Who is going to type fast? As per router 1 perspective, what are the unknown networks? Kunal, you are typing the IP addresses, individual IPs. You can write the network. The whole network is going to represent, right, Kunal? For example, you cannot say 192.168.1.1, 1.2, 1.3 like that. You can say 192.168.1.0. So it's going to represent the whole network. Yeah, good. Now see, Preetham, he mentioned there 2 and 3. And what about Preetham, another network, which is 10.1.23, right? Yeah, Preetham. Guys, everybody, I think most of them is confusing, man. Maybe I put you confused state or what? Are you able to understand everybody? See here. This is the network 192.168.2.0. Then this is the network 10.1.23.0, right? And this is the network 192.168.3.0. So these three networks are the unknown, right? These three networks are the unknown for router 1. Yeah? Yes or no, guys? Everyone? Everyone? Yes or no? Right. Now what you can do, let's go to router 1 and see there. The router 1 is saying that I know 192.168.1.0 network, which is this, and I know 10.1.12 network. These are my known networks. I know only these networks. I don't know 192.168.2. I don't know 192.168.3. I don't know 10.1.23.0 network. Yeah. So for this we need to write the roots. Right or wrong? Say yes or no. Can we write it? Yeah. Let's go and do it. Let's go and do it. So how to write it, guys? Kunal, help me out. Conf t. Then after that, what you are going to do? How you can start the routing? Good. IP route. For which network you are writing that? Yeah, Bhupesh is smart. Go. 192.168.2.0. Right? We are writing the root for 192.168.2.0. Then 285.285.0. Then after that, what's the next stop, guys? What is the next stop? 10.1.12.2. Very good. Then after that, we need to write one more route. What is that? 3. 192.168.3. Then after that, one more. What is that, guys? 10.1.23.0. But subnet mask is going to change. Right, guys? Right or wrong? Yeah? Good. Now if you type do show IP route, see there. You can able to see the three static routes. If you want to see only static route, type static. Did you notice that? Everyone? Yep. Now you're able to see that. Now let's go to router 2. Help me out. In router 2, show IP interface brief. Yeah. Show IP interface brief. Yeah. Help me out, guys. Now we need to check the routing table. What's the command you are going to use to see the routing table? What's the command? First of all, you need to know the known networks, right? Then after that, you are going to write the routes for unknown networks. Right, Kunal? What's the command to see the routing table? Show IP route. See here, this router is saying that I know 10.1.12 network, I know 1.10.1.23 network, and I know 192.168.2 network. Right? And what are the unknown networks? Quickly, can you please type for me? Wow, super. Vishal is saying that 192.168.1, right? And 3. These two networks he doesn't know, right, guys? If you see in router 2 he doesn't know about 192.168.1.0 network, and he doesn't know about 192.168.3.0 network. Right or wrong? Everyone, agree or not? Okay. Now, here is the tricky, guys. Did you remember we discussed about before? Here all the traffic. Yeah, did you remember that? Yeah. Here in router 2, did you notice that, guys? Here in router 2, there is a T junction, which means some traffic has to go to router 1, some traffic has to go to router 3. First of all, you understand? There is a T junction. Did you notice that? Yeah. So now, if you are going to access 192.168.1 network, then what will be the next stop as per router 2? Can anybody explain to me? Guys, try to understand my question. For example, you are here in router 2. You want to access 192.168.1.0 network, which is this. Yeah. What is the next stop? What is the next stop? Because the traffic has to go like this, right? Yeah, that's correct. Bhupesh, why you are getting confused? The next stop is this guy, right? 10.1.12.1 and 12.2 is your own. That's your IP address. Guys, everybody understand or not? Say yes or no. For example, whenever you want to access 192.168.3 network, 192.168.3.0 network /24, yeah, then what's the next stop? Preetham, try to think, man. 23.1 is yours. You are in router 2. Your next stop is where? Because the 3 network is here on the right side. So you need to check the direction. Yeah? The next stop will be this guy, 23.2. Understand, Preetham? Yeah? Everybody is clear or not? Say yes or no, guys. Because that's why you need to understand on which direction the traffic is going. Yeah, that is also very important for us to know. Yep. So now what I'm going to do, I need to write one route towards this side and one route towards this side, right? Are you understand? In case if you want to access 192.168.1.0, the next stop is 10.1.12.1. In case if I want to access 192.168.3.0, the next stop is 10.1.23.2. Right or wrong? Everyone agree? So can we go and write it? Yep, let's go and do it. So now what you are going to do, guys, we are going to spend some more time. Yeah, is it fine for you, everyone? Good, let's go and do it now. So I am in router 2, then in router 2, so first of all I am going to write the route conft IP route 192.168.1.0 255.255.0. What's the next stop? Help me out. 10.1.12. Everyone, 1. Then I am going to write IP route 192.168.3.0 255.255.0. What's the next stop? 10.1.23.2. That's good. Right, guys? So now if you type show IP route static, so that I can able to see 2 routes. Did you see there? Is it clear for you guys? Everyone? Yep. Now what you are going to do, let's go to router 3 quickly. Then I'm going to type show IP route. So by default router 3 he know about 10.1.23 and he knows about 192.168.3. Are you understand, guys? These are the known networks, right? Can you please tell me what are the unknown networks for router 3 quickly? Kunal, you just type it for me. What are the... Oh, Vishal is super, man. Nice. Everyone, only one network? Everyone is typing only one, man. Very bad. See, Vishal is typed in single line. Type it in single line, man. Just put comma. Be a smart guys, man. See, he is typing, Preetham is typing the IP address. Preetham, don't type the IP address. Type the network. We are always representing the network, right? Yeah, good. What else is there? Because router 3, he doesn't know about 192.168.1 and he doesn't know about 192.168.2. See there. Let's go to topology. If you have any doubt, just see the topology. That's it. He doesn't know this network 192.168.2.0. He doesn't know this network which is 10.1.12.0 and I'm sorry 30 is that, yeah, 12.0/30, and he doesn't know about this network 192.168.1.0. Right? Is it clear, everybody? Say yes or no. Yeah, guys, everybody understanding, right? Good. So let's go and write the routes. Then here, what is the next stop as per router 3 for all these routes? Who is the next stop? Because here we don't have a choice. All the traffic is going to the left. Then who is the next stop? 23.1, right? 10.1.23.1. So let's go and write it now. Let's go and write it now. Yeah. ConFT IP route 192.168.1.0 285.285.0. What's the next stop, guys? 10.1.23.1, right? Then after that, he doesn't know about 2 network. Then after that, what else? Which is the network, guys? 10.1.12.0. Yeah. Then 252. Right or wrong? Everyone? Yep. Good. That's it. Now type there, type there show IP route static. There you go. Yep. Is it clear? Everyone? Understand or not? And did you notice this one nice message here, guys? 10.0.0./8 is variably subnetted. Did you see that? So 10.0.0./8, which is the major network, right? It is subnetted as 10.1.12.0. Did you notice that, everybody? Yeah. Variably subnetted. And after that, are you clear, guys? Everybody understand that? There is a 3 subnets. I don't know whether you are okay or not. Say yes or no, guys. Everybody is okay or not? 3 subnets and 2 masks. So 3 subnets, 1, 2, 3. 2 masks. This is 2, 1 mask, this is 1 more mask. Right? /24 is 1 mask, /30 is another mask. Are you clear? Yeah? You need to understand, man. This is very important, guys. Yeah? Let's go and do it now. Now, will they able to talk each other? Everyone, can they able to talk each other? For example, the people who is sitting here, can they talk to 2? Can they talk to 3? Everyone, guys, help me out. Yeah, can we go on ping now? Let's go and check it now. So I'm here. IP config. Then my IP address is 192.168.1.11. So I'm trying to ping 192.168.2.11, which is another side. Can we able to get the ping, guys? Can we get the reply? Yeah? Let's go and check it now. See? Then after that, 3.12. Can I get the reply? 3 dot means the router 3, the last one. Are you able to see that? Why the first packet is dropped? Can I know? It's a ARP. Good, very good, guys. Yeah. Now if you see ARP-A, you can able to see it. Right, guys? That's your gateway. Yeah. Next week we are going to see that how hop by hop is going and what's the layer 2 and layer 3 addresses. Because you guys are not practicing, man. Try to practice it, everybody. If you don't practice, then you are not going to understand anything, guys. Don't feel bad about my words. I'm saying to you very clear to you. How many of the Mumbai from here, guys? How many people are there from Mumbai, from this group? Most of them from Mumbai? Yeah? Oh, Anil is from Mumbai. I'm from Aurangabad. Pune. I think Aurangabad. Oh. I did my CCNA in Mumbai, guys. Yeah? I'm from Kolampur. Nice, man. Pune, Aurangabad. I think a lot of the people from Aurangabad. I was there, guys, because I don't want to tell you about my personal thing. I just want to share it with you. Yeah? I was in Mumbai for 15 to 17 days for my CCNA. Yeah. In Mumbai, do you know that Octa Networks, before it was CCNA home? Yeah, because that is the Octa Networks. They used to give the training. Yeah, for CCNA. I was there 17 days, guys. There was one office boy was there, Uttam. You can ask him. I used to sleep only 3 hours or 4 hours. Yeah. Because see, I was there only the 17 days and I cleared my CCA because I'm not a great or I'm not a big guy. But only the concern is that my concepts are very clear. Yeah, my concepts are very clear. I am very much okay. The moment when the trainer start explaining to me the stuff, then he told me, boss, you have the concept. Your concepts are very much clear. Because that's what I'm saying. From day one, if you are clear about your concepts, then you will be very much okay. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Yeah, is it clear, guys? So that's why my concern for everyone is that be practice. I don't want to tell you every time, man, practice, practice, because we removed so many people from the group, right? All people, they are sending me messages. One guy, he told me, thank you very much, you removed. I don't know why, what is his problem. And one guy is told me, please add. And another guy is told me, why you removed it. You understand, guys? Because you are there and utilize it. Because Seshu is spending with you for 2 hours as a CCA guy, and because you guys thinking, Seshu doesn't have any job, man, he's just doing time pass. Don't you think like that? Because even I can do lot of things, but I am spending my time to you, so you respect me on that. Everybody, guys, that's why I'm expecting every time, please practice, please practice. Why I'm saying that? Because definitely there is a future, guys. Somebody, if you go and talk to him, he will tell you, man, there is no future for network, everything is cloud. Don't listen that. Because to understand the cloud, your basic has to be there, no? For example, if I go on sitting in cloud or any technology, I can understand it. Why? My basics are strong. Right or wrong, guys? Ekta means I don't understand, man. No, I'm just trying to tell you guys. That's why some people, they'll tell you, man, everything is automation. Yeah, now completely automation. There is no purpose of CCNA, CCNP. Don't think like that. Yeah, don't confuse yourself. People, they will talk a lot of nonsense whenever you go outside. Just do whatever is there in CCNA and CCNP, do it. Because understand each and every concept. Then after that, you can go and check in the market. Still, people are required. You understand, guys? Lot of interviews, people, they don't ask you what is cloud, what is Amazon. These things are because you need to understand those kind of stuff. Your basic has to be there. Because one time I met one guy, guys, I'm not lying to you. He told me, you are doing you are CCA. Yeah, I said, I'm a CCA. Then after that, he told me, do you know Amazon cloud? Do you know that? Do you know this? Then when I asked the few things, he told me, man, actually my networkings are very easy, but I can able to configure cloud storage and all. You understand, guys? Then he told me, still, I need to be strong in my technology. This is what his comment. Try to understand, I am not degrading anyone, guys. Whoever having the basic stuff is very, very strong, then they can understand any kind of technology. Just they will see what is the difference. Yeah, because if you see, the Meraki is a completely cloud based Cisco Meraki. Did anybody works on that Cisco Meraki, guys? Yeah, Cisco Meraki is a completely cloud based. One time if you see it, if you are strong in the technology, you will understand it. No need to explain anything. You just take the serial number and add it in the dashboard. Then and once the device is in online, you can able to do whatever you want it. Right, Preetham? Yeah, that's it only. And also, see, where I am working at the moment, I am working totally on different products. One time, two time, I just see it, I understood, okay, this is how it's going to work. Why? My basics are very strong, so that I easily addict all the technologies. I understand that. They said that, man, you are a master or what, before you work on. I didn't work before. My basic and my concept is very clear. I know what I understand, guys. This is what I'm trying to tell. That's why each and everyone, please put more efforts. Because this time, especially in the pandemic situation, most of the places, they are not working. This time, what you can do, you can develop, go to the next level. Even we are not paying anything, we are right. I'm not saying again and again free and all, guys, but I'm not insulting you guys. I'm trying to tell you, utilize the time. That's what the main concern. Whenever there is something, because even I like to teach for everyone for CCNP also, I don't have any problem. We are spending weekly one time or two times, right, guys? I don't have any problem. Yeah, so that's why everybody put efforts. Don't you lag at the IP addressing place, don't you lag at the subnet mask, You understand? Go through all our videos. If you have some personal problem or something, send me message, sir, I am not able to understand. Anil is there. Every time is helping. And Vijendra also recently is responding. And so many guys are there. Bhupesh is there. Right? Everybody is trying to help each other. So what's wrong in that, guys? Why we cannot learn ourselves? Yeah? Please, everybody put efforts, because why I'm finding the issue with you today, I'm trying to show something different, like I want to create multiple VLANs. See, Anil is planning to do that, but you guys are not coming to up to that stage. So what I will do, I'll simply escape, right? Well, I will show you some small labs and I will say, finish, CCNA is finished, right? Then what is the purpose, man? If you don't know the logic and you are doing everything what the institute is doing, then what is the purpose? Yeah, because here what is the advantage? Because I utilize my real-time experience. Because whatever, see, up to now we didn't finish our static routing also. We made almost 19 videos, 18 videos, right, guys? Yeah. Why? If you see there, all the basics